Several homes on Tallyho Road in Arroyo Grande were also flooded. Many have been red tagged by the city, forcing residents to move out until repairs can be done. Several feet of water caused some electrical and structural damage to the homes.
So everything, they had young couple with a child. They had to pull everything out. The refrigerator was floating in the house. The mattresses were floating in the house. The entire house. So you can see the hay that.
Those displaced are being helped by the Red Cross and the Five Cities Homeless Coalition. City officials say several of the homeowners have already begun the permitting process to start repairs.